Hi and welcome to my today's tutorial. My today's tutorial will be on OBS Studio. OBS Studio is a software that you use in recording your videos. It helps you to record your videos and to live stream it as well as to share your screens. My name is Festus, a member of C7 Online Marketing Masters. So for you to use OBS Studio, first and foremost, you need to go to Google. You go to Google and then you type OBS Studio and then you click OBS Studio and then you download it. You download it depending on the window you are using, your operating system. And once you have done that, then you share your screen. It will look like this. Once you download it, it will look something like this. Then your screen is already shared by then. You can also, if you, otherwise, can share your screen by clicking, by adding it here. You can also choose to close your screen if you want. If you don't want it to be seen, you can close it and then use only Windows. So it's all about scenes, sources, audio, controls. That is what OBS is all about. So here is where you add your scenes. Like, let me open this display so you can see what I'm doing. Like, here is where you add your scenes, and here is where you add your sources, and here is where you add your controls. So if you want to add, example, I say I want to add, I want to duplicate this scene. So it can be scene 1 of 3. Then I have scene 1 of 3 here. Then I can choose to add my sources. I can add image. I can add browser. I can add text. I can add window. Let's say I add window, capture window. Window capture 2. Okay. It will look something like this. This is the window here. You can draw it to fill this page, or you can leave it. And if I want this window, I can close it. I can close this window if I want, so it won't be seen. Or if I want, I can delete it. I can right click and remove it. Okay, so here you add the things you need. You can add text if you want. If you can add text, you can add media. Text, you right click and you put add, and here you can write text. Here you choose your text. You can type anything you want and you can click OK, and it will display here. Look at it here. Y. You have it here. You have your text. So you can choose to hide your text. It's very, you can choose to hide your text here. This is I choose to hide your text here. It's very easy to use. You can choose to remove it. You can choose to remove it. Yes. So because I have scene 1 of 2, scene 1 of 3, so that is why all the scenes are together. But if you have separate scenes, then you have it separate. All the scenes will be appearing separately, and then you can use them. You can change the scenes when you are doing your video recording. You can be changing the scenes. You have already set them up. You can be changing it, and it doesn't show in the video what as you are showing. If you're using only Windows, it will not share the screen. It will not be showing the video what you are doing. But in the video, what you are doing will be reflecting in the video without the viewer seeing what you are doing on the ground. So that is why this OBS is very good, because you can add so many things in it. You can also do videos in your phone and add it in this one called the media. This is the media. Open the media. You can go to media and add films from example here. You can choose you can choose, let me say, add media source to, and then it will take you to your, it will take you to your laptop, and you can choose any film you want or any video you want, even from your phone, and you can add it and it will play, and you can also use it in your recording. So it's very good, and so many things you can do with OBS. So thank you very much. I hope you're able to get something from this OBS, and you now can be able to try to use it on your own. And I've been using it, and it has been working very well for me. Like I said earlier, I'm a member of C7 Online Millionaire Makers. You can subscribe at our YouTube, C7 Millionaire Makers YouTube. You can go to our website also, and I'll be sending different tutorials from time to time, and it's free of charge. All you need to do is to subscribe to us, and you'll be getting tutorials that will assist you in your online marketing. Thank you very much.